Yeah, there's one right by your head, right there. Okay, guys, Oz Live here. We're out at Weber Farms and looking at flowers out in Kearney, Maryland, and just kind of looking around. So, this used to be apparently a huge farm here, and now it's kind of like the farmhouse, and it's just a little farming kind of going on in greenhouses. And we're looking at some flowers with Miss Gainey here. And we'll turn this around so you can look at the flowers. There's the flowers. This is Weber Farms. It's a cute little farm kind of thing going on. There's the greenhouses over there. The little greenhouse. They look like they're growing cucumbers out there. And let's see, there's a sign up there, Weber Farms. It says Weber Farms. Can you see it? No, I gotta go back a bit so you can get a look at the sign. There it is, Weber Farms out in Kearney, Maryland. That's kind of how it looks. And apparently this place gets pretty crowded. Today is Monday, so it's not that crowded. But this is Weber Farms. There's the greenhouses over there. Apparently this whole area was all farm. And obviously they've redeveloped it, and now it's a neighborhood. And the farm is just a farmhouse. So that's what we have. And I can't wait to go inside. Yeah, that's yellow too. Did you see it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
How much is
These
it?
are yellow. Let's see how much it is here. Does it have the price on it?
It's not, you got a sticker.
Yeah. Price. There's no sticker on this one.
Okay. This is
Yeah, there's no price on that.
deal with $20. I know that.
Yeah, they don't have the price. They just have the sticker. Oh, is that the price?
Might be.
No, it's 6 inches. That's not the price. That's the size of the.
The pot.
Yeah.
Okay, on the other side, then they should have census costs, etc.
Yeah, they have the barcode, but they don't actually have the actual price. Oh, they have prices on these little ones. Yeah, there's no price on these guys. Nope. No price. I think you're gonna probably have to get somebody because there's no price on them.
Yeah, that's a nice.
Yeah, it's huge. Yeah, there's no price on these guys. No, there's no price on these guys.
Okay.
That's a beautiful one. There it is right there. It's beautiful.
That'll look good on mine.
Yeah, it would.
I use it on the card.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's a cart. Okay, I didn't realize that. Yeah, that's the cart.
Yeah, I'm trying to pull it down. To put something in front of it.
Yeah, he wants to get a cart. So let's go here. I'm trying. Oh, that's how this works. Oh, okay. Like that. There you go. Yeah. Now you're ready. Alright, so we're going inside here to Weber Farms. It's cute. It's definitely cute. And Kearney is just outside of Baltimore. And this is what it looks like.
A big yellow flower there. Hanging
hanging flowers?
There's all kinds of.
We'll check.
They're just outside, yeah, out front.
Yeah, let me
Okay.
the hanging, large hanging?
Yeah, yeah. This is it. It's a cute little store here. There's a shirt. Yeah, it's kind of cute. Very cute. Oh, watermelon. No, they're $7.99 each. $8 each. Yeah. This is watermelon. This one?
Because it's hollow. You go by the hollow signs.
Yeah.
Have you ever eaten one with the yellow meat in it?
No. No.
Very good.
Really?
Biggest ones are $22.99. I don't know if that's the
Yeah, that's
largest
probably
size.
that was the largest one.
Yep. Okay.
I'm
That
gonna
one's-
want that one.
Yeah.
I can't tell the difference unless
Yeah.
I'm out there a lot, but.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
And
No
the
worries.
small one, the larger one is 22.
Mm-hmm.
And then $19.99, $18.99, $17.99.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get that yellow one.
Okay.
But let's finish doing whatever you do. And we'll go back here.
Strawberries.
Wait fruits.
There's the strawberries there.
How do they look?
They look pretty good. They look fresh.
Oh, you can smell them.
Yeah.
You can smell the freshness.
Yeah. They're $6.99 a pint. $6.99 a quart. So. So do they farm these on this farm or somewhere else?
Here.
Oh, okay.
Everything you
Yep. So this is preserves. I don't know what type of preserves it is. Is it strawberry? Maybe it's strawberry. It look like it's strawberry preserves. This look like apple butter. Yep, Weber Farms. And apparently everything in here, I think they grow here. I think. There's apples, some apples right there. Right there. No, that's, those are, tomatoes.
Real nice big ones, too.
Yeah. Yep. There's some peaches right there. I'm gonna see what's my time here.
They have a squash. They call it button squash.
Mm-hmm.
The little round.
Yep.
And this is the only place that usually you can find it. Unless
Yeah,
you go down
okay.
to the other farmer's market.
Yep.
Do you have your button squash, the regular ones?
Not yet.
When you usually have them?
You mean like the yellow ones?
They can be white,
Oh, the
green ones.
Patty pan?
Mhm.
Probably a couple more weeks at least, I would think. But yeah, you mean like the little ones that are kind of disc shaped, greenish? Yeah, patty pans. Yeah, we'll get them in probably. I'd say at least a couple of weeks.
And you call them patty cans?
Patty pan. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Do you grow them all here?
A lot of those the patty pans. We have a neighbor that's right up the street has a small farm, and then he brings a lot of the squash in.
Got it.
He brings yellow, he brings zucchini in the patty pans.
Yeah.
And his are really good because
Yeah.
it's literally as the crow flies. I forget which direction it is. It might be
Yeah.
that direction, but he's like right down the street.
Sure.
Let me tell you, they're really good. You saute them with a little onion,
Oh, yeah.
and maybe a little bacon, or else you just saute them by themselves,
Yeah.
and they are really good.
We used to just boil them and put butter,
Yeah.
mash them up on the plate, put the butter and the salt on there, and
Off you go.
yeah, simple things.
Yeah.
That is so good.
And we get those candy onions later in the season too. I don't know if you've had those. They're really sweet. And you cut the top. Somebody showed me last year. You just cut off. Peel it, and then you cut a big thing out of the top, and you stick your butter in there, and you roast the whole thing in the oven.
Yeah.
And then the butter gets in through the whole thing. And, yeah.
Are they sweeter than the Vidalia?
They're comparable, yeah. But we'll have those probably in later too.
Okay. These bags are hard to open. I'm just gonna want one. None of these ones are for the salad. I think you get some. You got the apple cider out here.
Yes, we do.
Okay.
Yep.
We're gonna get some gallons of those.
You like asparagus? That's our asparagus. It's fresh.
Yeah,
I
okay.
don't know if you do. Yeah, those are our cucumbers also.
Oh, those are cucumbers you grow.
Yes, right out there in the greenhouse.
Mm. Yeah.
You said these are the one they grow out in the green.
Yeah, that's what I thought they were.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw 'em.
The asparagus is on one of the fields.
Yeah.
Those are ours. And those, I don't know if you like garlic, but those, have you ever had scapes? Garlic scapes?
No, let me see which one is
These are right here. And you can saute them in with other vegetables, chop them up, or you can make pesto with them.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people don't know what they are or what to do with them. But
Yeah.
I think they were going to put a couple recipes on the website for them. But
Yeah.
these were just brought in this morning.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So,
Awesome.
Enjoy,
Thanks.
Enjoy your day. It's beautiful out there.
Yeah,
I
it
got
sure is.
Half hour to go, then I'm done. I can get out and do something.
There you go. All right.
Good day.
Yep, thanks.
They're good to put in a salad.
Yeah.
But we have to be careful with those in the junction.
Mm-hmm.
I will go down here. See the apple cider?
Yeah. Yeah, there's some meats in here. Meats. Apple cider. Yeah, it's apple juice. Cider.
Right up here.
Oh, right there. Yeah, there it is right there.
I'm great. How are you?
Yeah, no worries. All right, you want a gallon?
How much are the gallons then? How
I
much are your
don't know.
gallon?
It's gotta be on there.
You see it?
Oh, on the door. Gallon, $8.99.
Give me 2 more.
Yep.
I did. They got the small one.
Yeah. Yeah, this cheese looks really good.
You see it looks small.
Huh?
Oh, you're fine. Yeah, this
What,
smaller
you
one.
want smaller one? How many? How many?
How much are they?
This size?
Yeah, this is better for me. How much are these?
It's on the door, so I have to close it to see what the price is. $5.99, half gallon. All right.
And then they got one that's even smaller than that one.
Right. Yeah, that's one. There you go.
Yeah, this is good. How much are these running?
$3.99. $3.99.
They can go up here in my bedroom. Upstairs I have a small fridge.
Yep. You know it. Okay. All right. So this is Weber Farms. So this has been Oz reporting live. What's that?
These are good. This.
Okay, this has been Oz reporting live from Weber Farms. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I'm out.